First off, to an email. Rich says, hey guys, I'm in the doghouse. I need advice. This year, my wife decided to buy gifts for our pets. It's fine, he says. I love our pets too. However, we just got into a big fight when she wanted to send me back out to the store yesterday to get different wrapping paper. One the pets would like more.
Oh, boy.
no.
Keep in mind, we already had wrapping paper that we used for our humans' gifts, but apparently that didn't cut it. Am I way out of line here?
No.
No.
She's psychotic.
Yes.
No, that's just silly. and
Do other
irrational.
people get their pets gifts for the holidays? Well, sure.
They do.
They do.
Well,
But
I have gifts. I'm going to wrap them in regular paper I have at the house because they don't care.
No.
Jameson gets like 2 weeks of gifts. It just was his second birthday yesterday. So he had a doggy birthday cookie.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can I tell you, he seemed a little depressed.
Was he? He's
Well,
getting old.
He's 14 now.
No,
You
I know,
he's
but I'm like, is he missing his family?
his little Jameson family?
Yeah, like
I don't think so.
his doggy
they don't
daddy
even
and
they
mommy?
don't even remember.
No.
They
Yeah.
don't?
No,
No,
they don't
okay.
even remember that.
But
kind of
it was
stuff.
incredibly odd. Like, he is like always bouncing around, happy.
Dave,
he literally...
Does he miss his doggy family?
We're talking about this lady
We're talking
in the
about this
email.
lady.
I mean, I
Dave's
don't
just
know.
as psychotic.
Jameson's just like, I just wish I would have traveled instead of gone to college. It's really been getting to me, thinking about how
am I going to get to it? Yeah, how am I going to get to it?
I never saw Europe. I never saw any of that.
Yeah.
Dave tracks down his family.
I love reunited.
Knocks at the door.
and daddy.
Oh, it's our wee little Jameson. We've not seen him since he was a baby.
Oh my lord!
Your mother died. She died giving birth to you. Did you know that?
No.
Thanks, Dave.
Your one brother's a doctor, the other's a lawyer, the other has a drug problem. He's bad. He's in and out of rehab. We've missed you!
Jameson!
Your mother said the thought of losing you drove her to die.
Oh, Jesus Christ. What a nightmare.
We said a prayer every night, wondering if that giant man would bring you back.
Just hoping he would hate you.
And he did. And you're here now. And I can't believe it. Wait, Jameson, give me a hug with your paws.
He does do that.
Not sure why you have a bow tie on.
Your mother wanted to give you this letter. If you were to ever come back.
Oh, come on.
Stay, just stay.
Tragic.
For your die.
That's just a tragic tale. I can't handle it anymore.
I worked in a coal mine most of the time, Jameson. Thinking about you every day down there.
That's why my fur is black with soot.
It was golden like yours, but not anymore. Slaving away in that coal mine.
I've only got a week to live. From the black lung.
Oh, your mother misses you. She talked about you every day.
I thought she died in childbirth.
Yeah, she
Until
did.
she died. Until she died.
She did. It was just
Every day until
leading
she
up to the
died.
birth. It was
She
crazy.
knew.
She just knew. And she wrote you this letter right before she took her final breath.
What does it say? What does it say?
Jameson, I'm proud of you for all you've done. I know you're going to be a light in this world. I missed you. Always will. Hopefully you'll find your father someday. I love you. I love you so much.
Enough to give my own life.
Ah.
Yeah.
What a great movie that would be.
Not really. It's a dog.
It's pretty sad.
I mean, honestly, it just sounded like Rob Roy and like Braveheart mixed together.
I know.
So
Oh,
what
he's
you're
sad.
I
saying,
wouldn't like the
I
little
love
outfits
you.
he was wearing.
Yeah.
No.
We knew someday, we didn't figure you'd be a fancy city boy with your bow ties.
You know I love you. Always have.
Always will.
Always will. That's like a direct William Wallace quote.
I know. Your mother died playing outlawed pipes.
Outlawed
You on
tunes on
outlawed
outlawed pipes.
so what you're saying is he
Maybe
doesn't
it's
miss
best.
his family.
Maybe
No.
it's best to
I don't
just,
think he
yeah,
does.
not.
His family.
Yeah.
Because honestly, he was on his second birthday yesterday. unbelievably depressed. Like, didn't leave the couch. The second someone moves, he jumps up.
Does
right?
he not like the snow, maybe? And he's just like, He's probably just like, he's got a bit of Dave in him, right? I'm sure Dave looked out the window a couple times yesterday and was just like, get me to a beach.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe Jameson's the same way.
Maybe he is. I don't know.
Picks
but
up on...
we both commented, like, I don't what's going on. Like, we were worried. Why isn't he moving? Like, the second you say car or walk or whatever, he's like, whoa.
Yeah.
He didn't move.
It was the snow.
It's not been the
Snow.
same, Jameson, since we lost the farm. They took it from us.
Oh,
Well, I hope he recovers.
burned it.
It's a tale of woe.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
They
His life.
burned it to the ground.
Ever since he left, everything went just horribly wrong. The big giant man took you.
Giant man took you. The bank took our farm. Everything went to hell.
Oh, man.
Your mother died. Your brother's in rehab.
Well, I hope
Did I mention your mother died?
his family's
Died
doing
giving birth to you.
Yeah, all right. I hope his family's doing better than that.
You were the one that killed her. She lived all through the rest of the brood.